Alright, hear me out quickly. I'm having this continuous battle with myself, whether to film with a GoPro or whether to film with my Canon R6 Mark II, which is a beast of a camera. You have one camera that costs a couple of $1,000s, and you have one camera that costs a couple of $100. Now, I don't know. I'm so confused whether to ditch the camera, use the GoPro. Can it do enough? Is it enough for YouTube vlogging, or is it not enough? Are we going to sacrifice too much on sound, quality, all the stuff that the Canon EOS R6 Mark II can offer? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Canon R6 Mark II or a GoPro. Can the GoPro do it? Today I'm going to be vlogging on the GoPro only, no Canon footage. This is the only footage you will see of the Canon R6 Mark II. Actually, hold on, I might take it away just to maybe do some side-by-side shots. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. The rest of the vlog is filmed on the GoPro. Let's go. Sheldon's not a fan of the GoPro. He's a little bit scared of it. But this is Sheldon. What's up, bro? He is our rescue turtle. Wasn't meant to be a part of the family, but now is a big part of the family. Let's go, let's get out of here. We are off to Surf House now, and yeah, we're gonna go see if we can actually surf in Dubai. Are there waves in Dubai? Nice, new rash bed. Let's go. Okay, so we're at Surf Beach, sorry, and there is waves. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly because the wind is absolutely incredible. Right behind me we have some baby waves, maybe about 3 foot, 4 foot if you're lucky at most. Are you happy we found waves in Dubai?
Yes.
Yeah, Kathy's absolutely stoked. We didn't rent a board today though because yeah, we were a bit late, so we'll skip that one, but we're gonna maybe come back here tomorrow morning and see if we can actually get in the water. Just stopped and worked for a couple of hours at a co-working space, or meant to be a co-working, really a co-working space, called Friends Avenue here in Jumeirah Al Thanya Street. Couldn't really film too much inside because, you know, obviously we live in Dubai, so got to respect the culture. There was quite a few local people around, so yeah, couldn't show you much inside, but it's just a normal cafe. So yeah, you want a snack?
I always want the snack. I'm a snack queen.
Yeah. Okay, we're in Waitrose. We're getting a snack. Snacks. Alright, so back at home. Yeah, I'm in the studio and I'm currently setting up to do my next YouTube video, which is going to be on how to land your first collaboration deal. So this is what I'm starting with. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how I turn this, alright, into something magnificent. Like, this is the set that I'm gonna be using to film my next YouTube vlog, which I've already told you guys all about, how to land your first collaboration on Instagram or using Instagram with hotels. And yeah, stay tuned for that. That's coming next week. It's going to be pretty awesome. And this is the set I created. Took me about like 20-30 minutes. Got a key light, little second light here, 2 backlights, got orange and purple, and yeah, simple set. Canon R6 Mark II on there, ready to go. Guys, we just got done with a workout here at MVMT CrossFit. For those of you who don't know, but myself and my wife own a little CrossFit box here in the marina called MVMT CrossFit. So if you're traveling to Dubai and you do CrossFit and you want to come check it out, come check it out. Tonight was a beast of a workout. As you can see, we started off with some with the lady workout, Nicole, 20-minute AMRAP. Whew. We're running pull-ups, which was absolutely brutal, and then 5-minute rest into Karen, which was 150 wobbles, which is absolutely terrible as well. Anyways, that caps off the day here today, this week in Dubai. That's pretty much what I get up to on a normal day. I thought I'd just show you guys, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these vlogs. Obviously they get a lot more interesting now that it's winter time, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please subscribe, like, and follow me for more travel content, lifestyle content, relatable content, and yeah, have a good evening. Ciao.